Hello, Assalamu alaikum to my viewers and welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and good. Today in this video, I bring some new and unique collection of different landscaping ideas for your front yards, and you can use these ideas to decorate your front portions of the house in a most creative and attractive way to also enhance the beauty of your gardens, front yards, or these ideas can also be used for different backyard home decorations. If you are a new viewer to my channel and watching my video for the very first time, do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, and you will receive all the updates regarding my new and previous videos. So viewers, don't go, stay with me and watch this video till the end. I hope you will love this collection. In this video, I bring some unique collection or ideas of different landscaping ideas for your front yards, and you can use these ideas or creative skills to decorate your different front yards or backyards by using different flower arrangements and using different creative ideas I will bring for you. You can decorate your lawns, and you can also use these decorations for some specific or particular corners of the house, not only for front and backyards. You can use these decorations on to decorate your different parties that can be arranged in your front lawns or backyards. Viewers, these are some unique ideas you have seen in this video. You can create these unique ideas by using different stones or different plantation ideas to decorate your different front yards. You can also use this picture to create a way towards your lawn, and you can use different marbles, tiles, or different stones can be used to create a way towards your lawn and your sitting area from your front yards or backyards. Like you have seen in this video, different stones can be used for different plantation activities, and you can use different flowers and different pots decorations using splitting pot stones to decorate your different front yards. I hope you will like these ideas and love this collection, and I will remind you again, if you are a new viewer to my channel and watching my video for the very first time, do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, and you will receive all the updates regarding my new and previous videos. Viewers, your response and positive feedback motivates me to bring some latest ideas for you. So if you have any requests, do mention in the comment section, and if you have any questions or queries regarding this video, you can also mention it in the comment section. I will answer all your questions and queries in the comment section. I hope you will like this video, and if you like it, please share it on different social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram. It helps me to grow my channel and encourages me to bring latest ideas or unique collections for you. And keep watching my video, keep supporting me like this. Thank you.